Hello everyone, welcome back with another video. Tu masanga common phalo chung sang tho asun viver so mi zakhat wal lemin na hin motivate uvin a hi le kin zong ka phat sompi le in. Sulena common uzong abonin kanasim so ke zen na ho zalen ke zong katha anum so min. Common hin bol le I support jing ho sunga seizo lo ki pa thu ke hin phongin a hi. Ipi hletun lhagao gimnei le thilam dang ta ki mudo ho chu vet khom na le sei khom na chu ananei ki tau hite akha channa hin youtube ditun kitipa hin South Pittsburgh Hospital kiti hospital gimnei ta khat he export ana bolgu in Hiche hospital so 1959 kuma anake hong a hi in 1990 kumin anake nung kha ki tai na hi Sule hichlai hospital muna asun mi zakhat sanga tamzo hin a hin khu ana chan hin a hi asaidan vinjun hichlai hospital muna ana thi hol hagau sun hichlai mun hi adal ha lo dan ovin a kisai na hi koi hile hilai muna ana si ho chun sapang ka gin mi li elule gol git gidang za chum chum hoi ana zaji bin a hi Zolden zong hichi thu ho zi nin anati zahi Beijing in Amazon hichlai muna asun export bowling in anasi in Aman zong a camera ho chu anala do in chula lhagao paranormal holna ki mang stool tham khat zong chu anamang cha in hilaya chun a export bol na chu twitter lama live ana bolin aman zong pongkal thum ta bang live export a bol zo nungin hin thilam dang ta khat he a camera hin ana capture do khain a hi
See, you just get in the area and it works. If you want to try this out, all you have to do is walk past this music box and it'll play a sound just like that. Okay. Okay, I'm going to turn on the EMF. Oh. Okay. All right, I'm going to back up. I don't know what that was.
Namu thayam Hichi music box khat agin zone ngin hin amasang lama kon a hin akichi be selo mi khat achi phei hi akimu thein a hi Ditun zong hichi thil chu an hedo point a Twitter viewer son a hin sei pe akuna bo a hin hedo a hi in minute thum ta bang zawin a viewer so khadin hichi a thil capsule do na clip sung ka su ditun a hin thonin a hi
Nobody's down here with me. That clip's intense. Fine, I'll watch the clip. Go ahead and show me the clip. I'll let you know if it's me or not. Go ahead and drop the clip again. Oh. I don't know. I don't know who that was. There's nobody else on this floor with me right now. I'm alone on this floor.
Ditons la viewer so zong ipithil chu ana capsule do hamti su ana ti zathai the ovin a hi chule he South Pittsburgh Hospital sunga thil ana capsule do chu ditun bo hi ana hi puin YouTuber Frankie TV kitipain zong hichalai hospital muna export ana borna asun hitabang thilam dang ta hi ana capsule do khai na hi Asutia hila hichlai hospital mun hi anathi ho lhagau hin adal hapui ti hi adi a hi jeng dem ole thildang ipi gin mo theiding na niam na lunggel common lama hin sein Ani channa in April Christian kitinu hi Philippine mi a hi in ama he California city a hi company a na to a hi Amanun zong 15 hours lang na to zina lamin phat hi anei hlom the ji in Zan khat Amazon Philippine gama aloi te channel tha ho to in video conference in ake ho uvin a hi le hilaya chun thillam dang ta khat hi a hin mudo in a hi
may join Vince sa Google Meet na link sa calendar invite and nawa sa to na. Hoy, age. Ako'y nakita sa likod nimo. Ayan na lang. Dito sa pikas.
Masa?
Na ako'y nakita.
Wala man. Wait lang, di ba?
Dira. Buisit, nitindog yun akong balahibo. Dira. Nanapoy ni, I don't know kung ni Agi or kamot or legs. Marag ni gitaas or nay ni Agi. Marag nay ni Ana ni Tindo.
Hilaya hinlamdang in trainer eze nunga hinmi tabang abam khat alhay manghi akimuthain ahi. April zong alungdong in eze chu aho pi in eze nung lam chu avet sa len ahi la ima mu thading hi aum kit pu in ahi. Eze in anunga say na asun hitabang thilamdang ta asu hi ama dinga hi apat na an hitapu in. Tu kumsagi masangapan asu asang-sang lahin hitabang thilhi anasu uzidan ahi. Aka akhat lahin sa pangjong amuziin thilgit lagor kit zat chum ho zong hi anazaziin ahi. Achutia hila eze ina hi ipithil hi su'a ipilhagaw hi hitilan ahi tedem. Ama zong hi ngamzong angamin ahi a in zong dalalo hela ahi ti zeng wang hi. Ay ti hat ki hila wangkin ta in chu bye bye ki bol humding ahi. Athum channa hin tiktoker sapkal le en sungmi te hi England gama extend hon mention kiti ina hin trima anachi uvin. Hilai ina chun sapkal le aji pain jong thillam dang ta khat hi ani capsule do kha hanin. Athil capsule do kha han thu sei masagin hi mention home history thu hi ana sei masaleu han. Estan Hook mention in hi tu kumzagu masanga su Thomas Hook kiti pahin amale en sungmi te chen adinga hi anasa ahi in. Hilaya chun Thomas asanu Mary kitinu hile ain vana tong asu ho khat hi anekilungsi in. Thomas in jong asu ho khat le asanu kilungsi chu aloha ngin ama war jingin hichi Eston hon mention in top 4 la in neusung khana asun asanu chu anahumin. Asanu Mary jong kumsom lagup lang hichelai in neusunga po do sa lawa aneki khumsu anathi lo ta in. Mary thijawa panin alhagaw zong hichelai room sunga kunin hin pot do theitelovin alang dane tin asayun ahi. Sapka le aji pain jong Mary thusim ahet zo hanin hichelai ina top 4 lai in neulama asun agakal to hanin. Sapkar ji pain jong hichelai room neu sunga kunin chun Mary lhagaw su kodo ding agun ahi le hitabang kitsat ta thil hi analhungin ahi.
Mary? I mean you no harm. We know you're in there. We've seen you. Where are you, Mary? Mary?
I saw that. Did you see it?
Mary? Mary? Are you still in there, Mary? You can come out now. My name's Thomas. Hello.
Sapkalin jong athil tu lamdang ta su TikTok lama asun anap lonin ahile a TikTok viewer so sun. I tile amani chu chung lama kal tau han lawa hila su dingdan han hamtin chun ahin oi mo uvin. Sapkalin a seina sun amun hi kal tau nandinga a safe be se lo zina su anakal tau han lo danin a seina hi.
Found it. There's the attic room. don't think we're allowed to do this, but let's go for it. Wow, it is freezing cold in this room.
Sabkalin asay na asun atil tuhan chu hislai Eastern Hon security guard ho avet sa na hile security guard ho ang su koy ma aki sa lo le ati zalo anum povin ahi.
Me and my husband are not investigators, nor are we ghost hunters. We was there as tourists. My husband thought it was clever to call out Mary after learning her history of walking around the castle. I was petrified and didn't find it very funny.
Mary? Hello?
Nang gelin sapkal le azipahin apo do theitelo Mary lhagao su a capsule kha han hin tin team ole thildang ipigin mo theiding nanayam. Ali san nine TikTokal pages kitinu hi kichana aloi nu le amyang sa aum pe nin hin aman jong snap sa na kunin sun video su anakap len a hi le hitabang thil hi analhungin a hi.
Chilling here, being a kitty cat.
Did you do that?
Hilaya hin table chunga zulik li ki koi chu aslo be hilin ahung ki son lain amani jong tizalen wizat pumin hila kunin chun ahung ki hin do hanin a video record han jong chu ananga han ta na hi chule wangsil ta kha chu pages ina thil su hi a chaina hi tele phading hin apat na zo an hi in ajing langin amale oi sabo om pet hanin hin akot belu jong chu asamin ahung ki me gingin a hi.
Luna, come on.
Aman jong kot chu honin polam chu hoidiwin avele in a hi le koima mu theding hi aum pu in a hi nikhat jong hi amale oi sabo om pe nin hin TV ave in a hi le hitabang lungdonum ta thil hi ana so ki nin a hi.
This is ridiculous. Don't make me think about numbers again. A brave and accurate decision. Yes, my captain. Yes. Yeah, holy captain, your horticulture is harvestable. Ah, good. Oh, thank you. Fine. Hurry happily, and Hank is hungry.
Hilaya hin mu thelo thil khat hin asam hi a hin kain a hi le ama jong akin le in ading do owang ven anung lam chu aven a hi le koima hi aum pu in. Amyang cha chun asam hi a hin khoi kha khat to a hi dam ati zong hin amyang sa hi arum zenga zong hin aum pu in a hi chule awi cha zong hi alungdong se su in a hi nangin TikTokal pages ina thil hung hi ipilhagau hi ya ipi iti hintenati em lungdon umta a hi anga san na hin Reno Nevada kiti muna hin farm game nei ta khat hi ana in hislai farm mun khana asun amun chatwang su ake hepu in ake hello mi khat hi ake buye tin ake sei na hi hislai farm su agim nei ji nin zanting le hilai muna asun koima hi anom ngamji pu in hichi farm nei pa in jong ni khat CCTV camera ko ni nin ake hello mi lim lam dang ta khat hi anamudu in a hi aman jong hislai farm una khona nei dingin go central team YouTuber Twins Paranormal team ho hi invite anabolin Twins Paranormal team in jong investigation abona win chun nidanga to banglo te in a spirit box uvin jong thu a hin sei na hi
so we always turn it on airplane mode so there's no interference whatsoever. Spirit talker, I'm gonna go set it over here so try and listen clear. I'm setting the object right here. Use your words, please. There's just, guys, I just want you guys to understand there's so much that we need to cover, and we could stay in one spot.
Ryan.
Did he just say my name?
Yeah.
No shot!
No way.
That's the second time ever that this device has ever said my name. Again?
Twice?
Again?
2 in a row's never happened. Never. Literally never.
Why are you saying my name?
Run now.
Oh my God.
Ryan, run now.
Is there something we need to worry about?
Hilaya hinlam dang te in a spirit box uvin zong nidanga asay khalo la akaw khalo aloy pau ran kitipa min zong hi avel velin ahin samin. Sula ran naw kiti zong hi asay na hi. Ahin amho tim zong lung thaday lo win investigation so abol zam zing uvin mungam thata ta zong sun ava ale uvin. Ake hello mi pa ki buina zong su ake hedo thei khadam tin chun khulna anei le uvin ahi le hitabang thilam dang ta hi atu uvin ahi.
We're making our way towards the back section where we heard what sounded like somebody was literally walking in the bushes right next to the camera.
Yo, there's somebody there. That's dude, how?
Hello? You're not supposed to be over here.
This way, go.
We're gonna find out what it is right now. Hey, whatever it is, it's huge.
I see it.
What is it? Careful, dude. What are you doing? It's coming towards you. What the is this, dude? Come out, please. We were literally just coming to move this camera right here, and something started moving, but it's huge, which doesn't make sense. The only thing I can think of is a horse. There's no horse. There's nothing.
Hilaya avel ba pon leila hin mi chigin le theubo ki hegin hi akiza in. Amhon jong pon lam chu aveu vin ima mu thei pu vin sa hidiam skinwalker hidiam ipi hi a hidiam tin chun alung dong theu vin. He tin chun khulna nei vin avijing uvin a hi le thilam dang ta khat hi a hin mudo vin a hi.
Skinwalkers are also known to be protectors of something or someone. Complete darkness.
Want me to shut it off?
Shut the light out. At this point, we are vulnerable because we cannot see. So if you want to give us that sign that you are here, then come on, please. What'd you just hear? Branch just broke, and that was a thick-ass branch. Hey, come on, please. What'd you just hear? Branch just broke, and that was a thick-ass branch.
Dude, something's wrong with this area, man. There's something wrong with this area. The frogs are completely silent still, like someone's just watching us.
Whoa!
Right here.
Oh my God.
They are here, dude.
Oh my dude. Did you hear that? What was that? You're watching from a distance. You're here. We hear you. You might as well just come out.
This is heavy boys. My heart's racing.
Why are you just staying in there?
Watch right there, just to the left of the camera in the bushes. Right there. I just looked up from my camera right over here in the bushes. There's two.
True.
Yeah, you. I just saw you, I just saw your eyes. They just ducked down. They just ducked down. We're leaving. All right? We don't want any issues. No problems. I saw you duck right down, like a human being.
That was so loud, dude.
Hilaya hilam dang te in mihim hidinga kilom lo mi khat hi ahung da duin amho lam hi ahin ve in analhum mang ta in ahi. Cham khat zawin khat hi za chom te in ahung ki muki nin hi zong su anamang pei ki ta in ahi. Twins paranormal timin jong safe asa lo phat tau vin hislai mun chu dal han anapot to tau vin a hi nangin hislai ki mu thilam dang ta hi ipil hagau hinte na ti em hilai muna ake hello mi pa ki puil hagau su hinte na tim ole zana te hinte na ti em ipi thil su hidinga ni kin mo em Agop san na hin sim kiti news reporter nu hi New York gama Green Reedy Cemetery kiti Lhan mo lui ta chung sang tho hin report ana bolin chule hichel han mo chu 1844 la pana ki mang a hi tai mi sang wal ki buinal han mo lui khat a hi amanun jong live news report a bolin Lhan sung chung sang tho chun a ho limin a hi le a TV viewer so chun thilam dang ta khat hi amod ovin a hi
You can see behind me here, we have a few gravestones, but what you can't see because it's dark.
Namu thayam anung lama hin veo lehen lam dang tein akelo thil kang khat hi analeng phe na hi sim le crew member hon jong ipithili a capture khaw hom ti su am hon jong a sei ji an he thim thei pu vin a TV viewer so chun hi chung sang thwa hin Twitter lama chun a hin dong dong jing ji vin a hi nangin la hila ki mu thil lam dang ta hi ipi hin tenati em ipi hidinga nigin mom hichilai Lhan mola ki bui hol hagau ki mudo kha hin tenatim ole thil dang ipi kin mo theiding na ne em na lunggel komal lama insen chule loi te ho tu ne ading in hin hichanin ana sai tau hitin na hon jong ngelu na nei ta na WhatsApp status la be ani na selfie ding win ge hin te mi video thale ana ki mukit tau hite